G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. Today I am up in a gold area and I have my brand new GPX5000 on me, as you can see. Using the Commander Mono Coil at the moment because that's what came with it, and it was recommended in this area to try this one. In an area where there seems to be a bit of quartz around, it does seem to have been pretty much cleared out. But I'll still give it a go. It's just so hard in SA. So if you've got any tips or advice, let me know, guys. And it would be appreciated, any feedback. Yeah, you can see around here someone's dug this out already, but can't hurt to go over it again, can it? So we'll give it a go and we'll try how we go, see how we go here. Sometimes too, I'm not sure what to really listen for with this particular coil. So if anyone has any advice on that, that'd be great. I am getting my hands on soon, thanks to a friend of the Elite 14-inch coils, so it might help me a little bit. This one just seems to do a lot of hums, a lot of humming. I mean, I'm doing my ground balance. Just like that with the green button. And just do it again, but still, yeah, I just don't know what to trust as a signal. A lot of the signals that have been junk have been very sharp signals, and signals that maybe have been gold, maybe I've missed them. See, at the moment I'm getting a woo, 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 but I just don't know whether to trust that or not. So, yeah. Please leave your comments down below and let me know what you think, and if you've got any advice, be really appreciated. As I say, just up in here in South Australia, still can't travel to Victoria because of coronavirus stuff going on there, but yeah, hoping to get my first gold somehow with this machine. It's got to have gold. South Australia still has to have gold, surely. So, anyway, thanks for tuning in. It's a very short episode, I know. But yeah, see, at the moment that's going whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, not very, very clear as to what that sound is, so I don't know whether to trust that or not. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. Alright, thanks everyone for tuning in, and yeah, I shall come back with another episode very soon, hopefully. Bye for now.